Okay, so we'll start by creating a new project by running this command, but we'll actually use these options and supply the template command and use the minimal project. So let's over to our terminal, clean that up and run npx create Redwood SDK. We call this one tutorial and we'll use the template minimal. So now it will install our minimal template. This is really just for beginning, and that's it. We've installed it. So we can now go into our tutorial application that it created called tutorial, and we can install all the necessary dependencies. So I'm using pnpm. You can use yarn, npm, anything you'd like. I've got a shorthand for pnpm called pn, and I'll run install. So this is going to grab all the packages that we need, quickly install it, and then after this we should have our project up and running. Let's give this a moment. Okay, everything has been installed, and we can now start our server by simply running pnpm run dev. This will do some initialization for the first time we run it, and we should soon get a prompt showing us where to access this up and running application server. There we go. So we can see it's running at localhost 5173. I can open it from here by holding in command, click, or I can go back to my browser and opening this port. There we go. So next we'll be running through how to actually change and get a proper page running.